definitely might not see it because of the sun, but it's yellow. Oh yeah, probably right here. Yeah, you see it the most here at this angle. So it's yellow. I've already started some that was the 400, the 800, and the 1500. Started it on this side, and it's kind of like wetting off. But so imagine the other side looked just like, or this side looked just like the other side, but now it's starting to clear up. Hopefully the difference is shown on camera, but yeah, it's kind of working. From this angle, yeah, you really see the yellowish. Yeah, from this angle, it's kind of like not there anymore. And now this is it after it being completed. So this is the side that's still not done yet. It's another side that I just kind of polished down. So I'm probably more than likely skipping the clear coat process, but I feel like after the polish is pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much there now. Just trying to see it from, yeah, so you can kind of see the haziness, but from the side definitely you can see it on camera, but in person you see it very much clear. And here goes the finished result. Might have sprayed it too early after waxing, but it's still clean. And then I'm gonna show the before and after.